Hi, I'm Elon from QiTech Industries. Today we're going to show you how you can set up a cooling system for your filament extruder. The difficult part is to cool the filament to the point where it's still a little flexible. This ensures that the filament is not too stiff to be wound up. If you hit the temperature just right, the single layers will adhere to each other just a little and therefore keep the wound filament in shape. In the big factories, the filament runs through a water cooling system consisting of 2 or 3 temperature-controlled water baths. We tried to implement the same system using rain gutters and aquarium pumps. On top, we cabled a couple of PID elements to control the pumps based on readings they got from a temperature sensor. Beneath the rain gutters, we had big water tanks from where room temperature water would be pumped up to cool the water that was heated up by the extruded filament. One problem was that the filament took up the water and we would need some kind of sponge setup to get it off again. That never quite worked for us, which resulted in soaking spools. Another problem is that when starting the extrusion, you'll first need to heat up the first water, because otherwise it would cool too rapidly. Long story short, this was a terrible solution because it was a hassle to set up, to use, and it was quite costly. That's why we developed the QiTech Airpath. The QiTech Airpath is our solution for cooling filament for small-scale extrusion lines. It's a super simple setup. You can probably build it yourselves, but please don't, because then we'll be broke. Stay broke. Anyway, basically we connected up 4 high-power computer fans to an electronic control board with a display so that you can control the airflow. This way you can cool the filament to your specific needs. The 4 feet are height adjustable so that the Airpath fits almost every extruder. As soon as the filament is pulled by the Jarvis winder, you can clip on 3 clips that keep the filament hovering over the airstream. The entire unit is 40 cm long and about 15 cm wide, with the height depending on how the feet are adjusted. It has enough power to easily cool Acer extruder at about 200 degrees down to room temperature. That was our video about how you can cool filament using the QiTech Airpath. Make sure to follow us on social media to not miss fantastic content and exclusive behind the scenes clips we post every couple days. Stay up to date on our progress and updates and enjoy funny videos.